When is a document a legally binding court order? Hi, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 8 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by helping you to identify just a little bit about when something is actually a valid order of the court that you need to follow. So we had a question get brought in recently. The question was something to the effect of, if the opposing counsel files a document on a website that's not OSCN and it's not through the court, is it a legally binding document? Um, Now, I have to really heavily caveat this answer because obviously it could be done through a tribal court that doesn't report on OSCN, or it could be through one of the counties that reports on ODCR instead of OSCN, which ODCR stands for On Demand Court Records, OSCN stands for Oklahoma Supreme Court Network. Um, or it could also be a federal case that doesn't report to OSCN. So the answer is maybe, as far as, is that document that attorney filed legally binding? But here's what you need to look for. If you're in a case and someone says, well, you have to do this, the judge said so, or you have to do this, it's a court order, make them show you the paperwork. You always need to make sure that you have a copy of any court order that's issued that involves you, or that you get a copy as soon as someone is trying to make you follow it. Because you want to look for two things. You want to look for, is there something stamped or signed for the judge's signature, and is there a file stamp on it? You need to make sure that it's been signed by the judge and also that it's been filed with the court clerks. At that point, it's a legally binding order. So it's not just something someone can write on a piece of, lined notebook paper. You must pay me $8 billion, and then sign it, and that's it. No, it needs to be actually signed by a judge. It needs to be filed with the court clerk. That's how it becomes a legally valid, legally binding order of the court. If you have questions about this, or if you're wondering, maybe, is someone trying to get you to abide by something you're not sure if you're supposed to be following, give us a call. I'm more than happy to sit down and talk with you over it, go over the paperwork with you, and we'll figure out if this is something that you need to deal with. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.